Well, this is a quick video on it's a 2000 Cadillac Escalade with a 5.7 vortex, which should be common in most GM vehicles. But I've looked all over YouTube and Google for a quick fix for my air conditioner. Broke down on me, belt busted, and so looked on the diagram, and it's got a non-AC route. Well, been to every store, O'Reilly's, Advance, AutoZone, you name it. They knew nothing about it. So I just did some figuring. I pulled off the idler pulley and I screwed it into there. And I went to O'Reilly's and picked up a pulley and a 88 and an 1/8 belt. I got lucky on that the first try. It's going to get me home and get me out of a jam, and I think this is the first video I've ever seen that'll how to bypass the AC without having to buy that damn pulley system bracket for your AC where you've got to pull your AC off. That's BS. If it's the 5.7 block, I'm pretty sure that there's a hole tapped, and I put that pulley on right there. And everything's on. I'm gonna crank it up just to see what's going on. Everything's running good. Matter of fact, this is the belt number, Serpentine KO60876, 88 and an 1/8, and this was the pulley from the gates, and I had to take a metric bolt, M10 metric 10 1.5 times 50, and some 1/2-inch washers. The only problem that I think I might have is on the idler pulley, it's got a piece that fits inside of the actual bearing race to keep it straight. Mine has just a little bit of wobble, but it'll be enough to get me home. I'm about 200 miles from the house, and I'm ready to get home. So I'm just going to post this, and hopefully it'll help somebody out. I damn sure could have used it myself.